these tools. An axe comes with a sheath on it, which protects you from its harmful blade. When you take it off, you can see the blade right there. The knife also has a sheath on it. This also protects from its blade. Unfortunately, the saw does not have a sheath, so I will be using gloves and safety goggles for this procedure. Now I'm going to review the sharpening of these tools. Sharpen a knife, you always point it away from you so you won't cut yourself. Then you can just do small circles with a 30-degree angle, staying continuously throughout the sharpening process. You may also flip the knife over to do the other side. Now we're going to review the sharpening of an axe. The axe is a little bit different, but you'll still sharpen it. Instead of holding the stone still, you'll hold the axe still and sharpen with the stone. Always sharpen away, just like the knife. You can also flip this axe over. Do it this way. Now we're going to go over how to give someone one of these tools. First of all, to give someone an axe, always put the handle, give it to them. Make sure they say thank you.
Thank you.
To do a saw, you do the same thing. Handle facing them and blades away from you.
Thank you.
For a pocket nut, for a knife, you hold it, handle facing them so they don't cut themselves.
Thank you.
Now we're going to review how to handle these. For the axe, always have the sheath on and carry it with two hands with the blade pointing away. The knife, same as the axe, keep the sheath on, and you can even put it in your pocket or on your pant loop. But for the saw, since it doesn't have a sheath, you'll have to put the blades pointing away from you when you're walking with it. Now we're going to go over how to cut with a knife and what the procedures are for safety when cutting with a knife. Before you cut, always check for a blood circle. Keep the sheath on or the blade closed. Move around in a circular motion, like this. If it touches anything, you should move away from that thing and try it again. If you don't hit anything, then you're fine. Now for cutting. When cutting a stick like this, always cut down and away from your body. And a sharp knife is always a safe knife, because a dull knife can slip and maybe even cut yourself. Every year we recycle our Christmas tree. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to lop the branches with an axe and cut the stump with the saw. But first, I gotta put my gloves on and my safety goggles on so I can be safe. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to lop the tree. Always lay the tree down while you're cutting. For safety reasons, always stand on one side and cut the branches on the other. When you're cutting, always let the axe do the work. Now I'm going to switch and cut the branches on this side. Now that we've lopped the tree and laid it down on this bench, I'm ready to cut. This is a pull saw, so I'll emphasize the pull stroke and not as much on the push. I'm gonna hold the branch with my foot so it doesn't slip.